This time I will make beef black pepper. This is the ingredients. First, you need a beef slice. Second, you need an onions. Third, you need garlic. Fourth, you need Inggris sauce. Fifth, you need oyster sauce. Sixth, you need black pepper. Seventh, you need salt. Eighth, you need beef stock. Ninth, you need sugar. 10. You need soy sauce. 11. You need big green chili. 12. You need rice. This is how to make it. First, prepare the beef slice. Second, pour oyster sauce. Third, stir the meat. Fourth, place it on the fridge for 30 minutes. While waiting, we will cook the onions. Fifth, cut the onion into small pieces or thinly. Sixth, put the onions to a plate. Seventh, chop the garlic. And put it on a plate. Seventh, cut the chilies into thin strips. Eighth, take the chili seed. Take the meat from the refrigerator. Ninth, preheat the pan. After the pan heat, I want you to put the ingredients earlier. After that, I want you stir it up. Put the meat on the pan and stir it. And put the soy sauce. Put salt on the meat and stir it. And put sugar too. Give beef stock on the meat. Put a black pepper. Pick a rice from rice cooker. And place it to a bowl.
Now the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Bocil kanan!